Hey everybody, here we have some old Carrier Tech 2000 silencer systems.
Wrapper and the fan motor there. I'm trying to see if this is a heat pump. I don't think it is.
It is a 1994.
3-ton, pretty TRA. Might have been running. Suction line is slightly cool, but it's not sweaty at all. So there's no telling.
Over here we have a third one.
I think this one's been running because I see the condensation dripping off of the pipeline there. Or
Oh,
no,
yeah.
no, Carlisle Squirrel or something.
No, it's probably a Copeland. I'm not really sure.
Did these use Copeland back in the 90s?
I think so. I'm not really sure.
This is almost 30 years old. Same thing as the other two, 3-ton 1994.
Yep. All made in 1094.
I'll start up here in a minute.
Alright. So that'll be it. See you guys in the next one.